You just saw a sneak peek of Walt Disney World's Yacht Club Resort. You saw our room, saw a little bit of the resort. We're gonna head over downstairs because we're gonna get our souvenir cups. That's gonna give us unlimited refills for the whole duration of the trip. So there's so many benefits of staying on property and everything's close by, minutes away. Speaking of being minutes away, we're gonna go over to the pool because I'm ready to take a dip. Follow me. Poolside now. Just as a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Disney or any way affiliated with Disney. What? Oh boy, Trey, tell them about the terrific time you'll have at the parks. Okay, I got it, Mickey. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Everybody, we're gonna have a great time at the parks. Let's jump in the pool.
For the Chiefs Kingdom.
There's many benefits to staying on property. Easy transportation to the parks. There's many ways to do it. You could do it by bus, by air, or by sea. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today on this inside look at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. We really had a good time here. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see these type of videos in the future. That'll do it for me here. Till next time, from the top of my heart, see you at the parks.